Hello students, let us discuss nature of CX bond in haloalkanes and haloarenes. Here X represent halogen atoms and C represent the carbon atom in haloalkanes and haloarenes. As we learned that X halogen atom is more electronegative element than the carbon. Because of this reason, halogen atom attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. Because of this reason, halogen atom develop a partial negative charge and carbon develops a partial positive charge. So we can say that the carbon halogen bond is polarized. That is, in alkyl halide, the carbon X bond is actually a polar bond because of the two poles which is developed, that is partial positive charge and partial negative charge, due to the difference, that is electronegative differences between the carbon and X. As we know that the size of halogen atom increases as we go down the group in the periodic table. That means fluorine is the smallest and iodine is the largest when we compare the halogen atoms from top to bottom. As we learned last year, when the size of an atom increases, in that case the bond length also increases. So carbon halogen bond length also increases CF to CI. That means the carbon halogen bond is minimum in RF and it is maximum in RI, because when you compare the size of fluorine and iodine, the iodine have the largest size. So when the size is increasing, so we can say that the bond length also increases. So greater the bond length, lesser the energy required to break the bond, which we have learned last year. That means when the size increases from top to bottom, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine to iodine, the size is increasing. So we can say the bond length also increases. But we can say that the bond enthalpy decreases, because greater the bond length, easy to break. That means less energy is required. Therefore, the bond enthalpy is minimum in Ri and it is maximum in RF. Let us compare the bond length and bond enthalpy in methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl iodide. We are comparing the bond length, that is CX bond length. We are talking about CX bond length. So when we find it out the values, it is minimum in the case and it is maximum here. That means with the increase in the size from fluorine to iodine, we can say that the bond length also increases. But when you compare the bond enthalpies, it is highest in the case of methyl fluorides and it is lower in the case of methyl iodide. That means with the increase in the size of halogen atom, the bond enthalpy is decreasing. So bond length is increasing and bond enthalpy is decreasing. So in this video we discussed about the nature of CX bond in alkyl halides and alkyl aryl halides, and this bond is actually polar in nature due to electronegative difference between the carbon and halogen atom. So this nature of the bond is play a very important role in the reactivity. So we'll be discussing about the reactions. So at that time we'll be get the importance of the nature of CX bond. So in the next video we'll be discuss its preparation and properties. Thank you.